So we got more leaked images of the OnePlus Open 2. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is gorgeous. Now, the point in these images is to show off the camera bump and how much less of a camera bump there truly is. But it's difficult for me not to just praise how amazingly thin this phone is. And just the amazingness of how impressive this device truly is. So obviously, yes, the camera bump is crazy much thinner than the OnePlus Open 1, but it is still wow. And now that I know it's not IP69 technology, meaning it's waterproof, it makes me want this phone 1,000 times more. This phone really is the perfect release of a foldable cell phone. Humongous battery. It has waterproofness. Literally waterproof, not resistant proof. It also now has wireless charging. Less of a camera bump than normal. A beautiful inside display. A beautiful outside display. OnePlus and technically Oppo. Oppo's the actual, big dog here. It's just that OnePlus is a sister company to Oppo, just like Vivo is. They're all under BK Entertainment together. But, man, Oppo in general has absolutely just hit this grand slam out of the park. Oppo, by the way, is the company that creates this phone. OnePlus just rebrands it, and then Vivo has their own iteration of their cell phone. Not this cell phone, but their own cell phone. This is, it's like, I give Samsung a lot of crap because obviously the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to be a bust. It's not going to be anything good. It has a watered down Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, or Snapdragon Elite processor. It has a very watered down version. This, by the way, is going to have the actual Elite processor in it. Full on, not watered down. I give Samsung a lot of crap, but I'll be honest with you, there is no competing with Oppo/OnePlus at this point. Like, there is no competing with this company. This company is surely that dominant. Especially when it comes to the phones that they're releasing. Because again, OnePlus, all they're doing is rebranding Oppo. And Oppo alone is an absolute amazing company. They're the one that, truly fixed the crease issue on these foldable cell phones. They're the one who have pushed the envelope day in and day out when it comes to innovation and pushing this industry forward. It's, again, another reason why, and I wish they did, when they first started really taking off with the Find N2, I made a video and I said, Microsoft, right now your Surface Duo 2 lineup is not really doing great. You're not doing great with the Surface Duo in general. You need to partner with Oppo before they become humongous. Right now they're humongous, obviously. But before they became humongous, I wanted Microsoft to partner with them, relaunch the Surface Duo 3, but do it with Oppo. Release the Surface Duo 3 in America and in China and all the European countries, and partner as one with Oppo to make the product perfect. Like, there were so many opportunities, Microsoft, for you to take advantage of this. You're a multi-billion-dollar company. Before Oppo becomes where they are today, you had a chance to just combine with them. You had a really great concept with the Surface Duo lineup. Just take it and run with it, but use Oppo and their resources and their creativity and their innovation to push this forward. They had an opportunity. But Microsoft, being Microsoft, said, nope, we're not getting involved with any other company. We're just going to do it ourselves. And, well, the Surface Duo lineup now is in the toilet. But Oppo is still as successful as ever and looking amazing with these products. So, shout out to Oppo. Shout out to OnePlus rebranding. But still, even though they're just rebranding, OnePlus is the reason why we're able to get these products, right? If it wasn't for OnePlus, we couldn't get these products in America because they are rebranding them for America. So, shout out to that fact. But see you guys in the next one. Peace out.